We are pleased to show you the 2024 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.